Unlock the secret to buttery smooth slow motion on your Sony A7 IV with this essential guide to mastering 240 frames per second. First, power on your Sony A7 IV. We'll be diving into the menu system to unlock its high frame rate capabilities. Get ready to configure your camera for incredible slow motion. Navigate to your camera's shooting mode dial, rotate it to the S and Q or slow and quick mode. This dedicated mode is crucial for accessing high frame rates. Once in S and Q mode, press the menu button, go to shooting settings, then find and select frame rate. Here, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down until you find TOP. Select TOP. This tells your camera to record at 240 frames per second. Keep in mind that when shooting at 240 frames per second, your recording resolution will be Full HD or 108p. Now, the crucial part, understanding the recording format. When you select TOP in S and Q mode, the camera will automatically switch to slow motion recording, meaning what you see playback on your camera will be slowed down. You don't need to do anything extra here. For the best results at 240 frames per second, Apple lighting is absolutely essential. The sensor needs as much light as possible to capture clean images at this extreme frame rate. Consider using powerful LED panels or shooting in very bright daylight. When you compose your shot, be aware of a slight crop factor that occurs when shooting at TOP fps. For most frame rates, this is normal and a trade-off for achieving that ultra-smooth slow motion. Focus accurately on your subject to prevent any undesirable blur. Remember, to get the most cinematic slow motion, you'll typically want to play this footage back at a standard frame rate like 24 or 30 frames per second. This creates that dramatic, smooth sputter slow motion effect. And there you have it. You're now equipped to capture stunning, high-framerate slow-motion footage with your Sony A7 IV. Experiment with different scenes and see the magic of 240 frames per second.